Amputate. Understanding a crucial medical term. Imagine a world where medical advancements can save lives by removing parts of the body. Today, we're exploring a powerful word that encapsulates this concept: amputate. Word type: amputate is a verb, meaning to amputate means to cut off a limb or other appendage of the body by surgical operation. It's a procedure typically performed to remove a diseased or severely injured body part, often to prevent the spread of infection or to save a person's life. Word history. The term amputate comes from the Latin word amputatus, which is the past participle of amputare, meaning to cut away. It entered the English language in the early 17th century, reflecting advancements in surgical practices during that era. Antonyms. While there isn't a direct antonym for amputate, some related opposite concepts include attach, join, or graft. These terms suggest adding to the body rather than removing a part. Synonyms. Some synonyms for amputate include remove, excise, cut off, sever, and detach. However, it's important to note that amputate is specifically used in medical contexts, while these synonyms can be used more broadly. Examples used in sentences. The surgeon had to amputate the patient's leg below the knee due to severe gangrene. After the accident, doctors were forced to amputate 3 of the victim's fingers to prevent further complications. The veterinarian decided to amputate the dog's tail to prevent the spread of a malignant tumor. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using amputate too casually or in non-medical context. For instance, saying, "I need to amputate this branch from the tree," would be incorrect. In such cases, prune or cut off would be more appropriate. Another error is confusing amputate with amputation. Amputate is the verb describing the action, while amputation is the noun referring to the procedure or its result. Lastly, some learners mistakenly use amputate to describe the removal of internal organs. However, amputate specifically refers to the removal of external body parts or appendages. Understanding the word amputate and using it correctly demonstrates a sophisticated grasp of medical terminology in English. This level of precision and context awareness is crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS, particularly in writing and speaking tasks where vocabulary usage is closely evaluated.